Hi everyone. Today, I would like to introduce you latest Ecoheal photosynthetic e-tree, upgraded portable electronic tree. Let's unbox it together. After unpack the box, it's our cool upgraded portable e-tree. There is also exclusive protective cover and lanyard with Type-C charge cable. How to use it correctly. Firstly, we need to fully charge our e-tree when we first get it. It will light up in red while charging. If it is fully charged, the light will goes off. On the back of the product, we just need to press and hold the button for 3 seconds. The blinking blue light indicates that your device has already successfully boots. If the device in standard mode, the battery can last up to 10 hours long. Press the button again. The device will enter power saving mode. Blue light will keep blinking. If we switch to power saving mode, the battery should last up to 5 days. It will stop for 1000 seconds every 100 seconds. It will shut down successfully when we long press the button for 3 seconds. Lastly, blue light will turn into a purple light when charging under the power on state. We can see that the purple and red lights flashing while charging under the power on state with power saving mode. Let's grab the upgraded Ecoheal e-tree today.